Welcome to the informative me CUBOT Max. Today I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here a ringtone notification volume button. Just to change your device ringtone, you should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side this blue dot, and that's it. Also, you can open tune by the second or just press up or down volume button on the left side of your phone, then click here on the settings icon, and by the same way you can also hold and swipe to the left or to the right side there is a green dot, and then to save the changes tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.